They've finished their assignments and they've gone home.
Home? Where's home?
Come on, you ask a lot of questions. Why don't we get home, you relax, then you'll soon understand it. You said my people will be your people. You said my home will be your home. And I have promised to take care of you. By the time you get home, you'll get used to the situation.
Oh, please, let's go. I still know the road. I feel like my brother.
Adam, my kinsmen, we have come home.
I think we should let the man take his wife home. Wife, welcome to our world. I hope you enjoy your stay with us.
What's the meaning of this now?
Like I said to you before, when the others left us, these ones have equally finished their assignment.
Hey!
They have gone home.
Where are we?
Welcome to the land of the dead. I warned you.
Me?
But you would not listen. You would have listened to the voice of the hunter. Anyway, wait for me while I return some of the things that I borrowed for your wedding.
I told you, Wait. What do you mean you have got?
Come, we need to move fast. Some people are waiting for me. I need to return the other things that I borrowed. Let's move fast. Come with me.
Your wife.
Shut up! Stop that whining. Look, you will soon arouse the anger of some spirits. You better be calm.
We won't talk again. Hey! Again. Hey! Let's stay together. Let's stay together. Oh, don't die here! Don't die here! Get up! Get up! Oh, get up! Get up! Get up! forefathers. It's a dream. What dream? It's a dream. Your Highness, what dream? Your Highness, are you alright? It's a dream. Oh, are you alright? It's a dream. What dream, Your Highness?
My queen, what is the matter? You don't look bright. I don't like your countenance. You're not cheerful at all. What is it?
Your Highness, I would like you to send some of your guards to go and find out how our daughter is doing in her new home. I had a terrible dream about her. I'm really worried. I'm worried concerning her.
It's not only you. I also had a terrible dream. But I know that she's well wherever she is. Odum is a very serious young man, and he loves our daughter so much. Nothing will happen to them.
But there is no harm in you asking them to go and find out how she's faring. I'm really disturbed about her.
Alright, if that will make you happy. By the way, where is Odum from?
My forefathers. I didn't ask. Uju, Your Highness.
Where is Odum from?
Your Highness. Hey, whoa! I never tried to find out. Hey, my God.
Neither did I. What happened? Ochikeze, what is the problem with you? Hi! Ude?
Your Majesty.
Where is Odum from?
Your Majesty, I did not find out. But he must be from the neighboring village of Amanato.
Which of them?
I did not find out, my queen.
Hey.
But we shall find out.
Hey. This is grave mistake. How did this slip me? How? What happened? Ude, I want you to assemble all my elders tomorrow, first thing tomorrow morning. And take your group. Enter the bush. Find out useful information about Odum's place. And about my daughter. You have 4 days to do this. Did you hear me? 4 days.
Your Majesty, it is done.
Oh God.
Your Majesty.
4 days.
Your Majesty, it is done.
Your Highness. Who did we marry our daughter to? Who did we marry our daughter to? What happened to me? What happened to us? Who did we marry our daughter to?
Please, return to your hut. Would you?
Your Highness.
Please, take her back to her hut.
Yes, Your Highness.
Please.
Child. Hey, Your Highness. Hey, my God. Uji. But what have we done? But what have we done? Oh my God.
elders of a land, it's no time for protocols. I have called all of you here to intimate you on a very serious matter concerning my daughter, the princess. Now I want to ask you all, does any of you know where that man that took my daughter came from?
Personally, I don't know.
Your Highness, it escaped my attention. I didn't even ask her. My God, I'm awfully sorry. It was a big slip. I'm sorry.
What about you, other elders?
Your Highness, what you are saying is true. But I want to tell you that we were so carried away and we were so overjoyed with drinking and the other merriment that nobody thought of that at all. Hey!
So we gave my daughter to a total stranger that we don't even know where he came from. Huh? Now I want you to listen to me, all of you. You must report back to your villages and communities and conduct a search to know if there should be useful information about the whereabouts of my daughter. Please. And whoever that is going to have a useful information concerning my daughter or about that man will be rewarded with a wife. And if it's a woman, I am prepared to reward her with 5 she-goats. Now please leave. Leave. You have 4 days to do this. Just 4 days.
Serious matter. We were overexcited. We were overjoyed.
The custodian of the gods, the bridge between the living and the dead, the eyes of the night, you are welcome to my palace.
I greet you.
Ikuku, the wise one, my heart has not known joy lately because of my daughter.
Igwe, the spirit married your daughter in order to punish her.
And where is my daughter now? Is she alive?
Igwe, your daughter is alive in the land of the dead.
The gods of our forefathers. What have I done to be rewarded like this? What? Why me? The wise one.
Igwe.
What do I do? Please advise me. What do I do?
Igwe, mobilize men to search for her. These are the 3 men for the journey.
Very good. You are welcome. I greet you, my sons.
Your Royal Highness, my name is Obuago. That hunter who tried to stop your daughter from marrying that man, Odum, the stranger. You ordered that I should not come close to her or be punished. I'm being propelled by that same love that made me to seek the hand of the princess. I am back on this journey, not knowing what my fate will be, but ready to face anything because of the princess.
Thank you very much, my son. Let me start by apologizing to you for the way you were treated. We are awfully sorry.
Your Royal Highness.
I want to make a promise that if you undertake this journey to the land of the spirit and return, that the palace will take care of your wife and your children.
Your Royal Highness, I'm not married. Neither do I have children. But I made a vow that I will not marry any other person apart from Akweke.
So you are not yet married?
I am not, Your Royal Highness.
I see.
Your Majesty, my name is Azundo. Obuagu here is my friend. And I've promised to embark on this journey with him. For he is a friend indeed.
Great.
Your Highness, you will live long.
You will live long too, my son.
Mbata is my name. Obuagu is my very good friend, just as Azondo is also my very good friend. I have decided that I will stand beside them as we undertake this journey. For there is an ancient saying, it is only a chief priest with plenty of contentment that dares to challenge the evil forest.
I am totally overwhelmed. For the sacrifice that is about to be made for the sake of this kingdom. Amanato Oboro. Before all of us present here, and before our forefathers, I declare these young men heroes. And if they embark on this journey to the land of the spirit and return in peace, I am going to confer to each of them the title of Dikeh Ndikrere of Amanato Guru. Wise one, Igwe, I want you to fortify these young men so that they will go and conquer.
Igwe, they will move in 4 days' time.
Good. Now come. Kneel down. By the powers conferred on me by our forefathers, I declare this journey a success. May the gods of our land protect you and guide you. You shall go, you shall fight, and you shall conquer. Go in peace and bring us good news. Go and come back. Amanato Guru will be waiting for you. May the gods of the land protect you.
Aguru Oji akunye nchita na nchadari enu. Akufesera dara wo. Onye si oburu di omegini. Muwa bu ikuku. Onye ja nwale ikuku. Odo onye je jide ikuku n'aka. Ihe nyere mmụọ onye mmadụ. Naanị mmụọ bụ ikuku bụ anya na-afụ mmụọ fụ mmadụ. Onye si na okwu ada emebi ihe, orugbo ebe mmadụ kwara n'ihe nya kwuo na onye agburu. Mana anyị na-ekwu ya laa. Ihe eme gịnị? O nwere ihe anyị ejighị. Ana m enye mmụọ nri na-enye mmadụ nri. Gịnị ka ihe emedo? Naanị ikuku mara ihe ga-eme echi. Asọkwa soja. Ọdụnye mara ihe ga-eme echi. Naanị ikuku mara ihe ga-eme echi o. Ikuku mara ihe ga-eme echi. Onye ga-anwale ikuku onye abịa nwale. Ọdụnye mara ihe ga-eme echi. N'ikuku mara ihe ga-eme echi o. Naanị ikuku mara ihe ga-eme echi o. Onye mara ihe ga-eme echi o. Nya bịa o ka anyị nwale. Naanị ikuku na-enye mmụọ nri na-enye mmadụ nri. Onye si ọ bụrụ ya ome gịnị? Asọkwa ka nyezie m ụlọ ọjị ka m ga-enye ụlọ. Ọ na-abụnye ụnụ n'obere ụnụ anyị nye n'ukwutukwu na gịnịgị ewu asọ eyi ụnụ ọnọgwa ya ese ọ sị na agha adị agha ọ bụla abịa echi ya bido taa bido na anyị na-emụbụ ikuku na ya a na-ejide ikuku n'aka asị m ụnụ dị-eme o nwere ihe na-emedụnụ o nwere ihe na-emenụ o gịnị na-eme o ji ọkụ azụ egbe o ji ọkụ azụ oku egbe onye ihe ọzọ a na-ekwu okwu egbe ọrụ sekwu
cried enough. Let us not continue to cry like people without any hope. Stop weeping. The gods that gave a child what I am will give him what to dig it up with. Stop weeping. The gods will not allow us wash our hands and shell our pan kernel for spraying fowls. It's all right. Please come. Come. Help her. Come. It's all right. All right.
onye ọkụ na mma onye dị ihe mmadụ agha onye egwe na agwa ya o nwere ihe na-eme ebe ọ bụ na echechiri gị n'ụzọ ị na-aga aga nekwaghị nwanne esigo gị si ga esi gị ọ gbajuo dọrọ were akwụkwọ ndụ akpụrụ ya n'ọnụ o nwere ihe na-eme nna asanyere m akpa gị ọ gbajuo dọrọ gị were akwụkwọ ndụ akpụrụ ya n'ọnụ ụnụ ya eje agha lata agha ọ bụrụgodị igurube mmadụ chere ụnụ n'ụlọ ụnụ ya egwusisi ha niile na-alata sija
Woko Ashina ndo nada Awaya Asheje ke benduma Eje kwe benduma Eka ma do kwa Ano hokwa Na ma na egwa ma Ogwa gweje no benduma Ogwa gweje no benduma Ogwa gweje no benduma Ogwa gweje no benduma Ata de topo me kwa ham Ogwa gwa kama do kwa eje kwe Wanda ma do ko kwa shade mwani onu shigeje Kawalo me Woko Ina kwa hanu ojobo Jaya la mani bolefu Ogwa gweje no benduma Ogwa gweje no benduma Ogwa gweje no benduma Ogwa gweje no benduma Oya na mami ye
What do you think? Let's get in there.
Break it! Mbata, this water is so refreshing to my tired feet.
You know, I feel like getting into the water like a fish and soaking myself wet.
No, there is no time. Let us just wash our feet. When we are done, we can now come for a thorough bath.
Wash only our feet?
Yes, that's it. What do you think? Asundo, Mbata, we are up to it.
It's gone!
Yes, there is danger lurking around. Let's get out of this place now.
Obuago.
Let's get out, let's get out.
I said it. This place is a dead end. Where do we go to now?
I am so confused. A place where 3 footpaths meet? I'm so confused. I don't know. Which one do we choose?
Obuago, Mbata, we have arrived the land of the dead. Or we are close to it.
Azundo, why do you say so?
I say this because so many strange things have been happening. Hey! Who are you? Show yourself! If you don't show yourself, we're going to... It's a cuckoo! Don't start a war you cannot finish. I came to help you. Take your cutlass.
Cuckoo, you came on time.
Right, on time. This is the way. Follow me. Hey! Go on. That's the way. Hey! Mbata. Move.
Move.
Yes, move, Mbata. Hey.
We'll find a way. We'll find a way.
Amanato Okporo cannot be happy. We have been bereaved and we have been mourning bitterly.
Your Highness, we must not completely lose hope. We have to wait to see what comes out of the men's adventure.
Uzaya,
Igwe,
you surprise me.
this is my opinion.
You baffle me with that your opinion. Uzaya, are you not an elder? Now let me ask you, have you seen anyone that went to the land of the spirits and returned? Have you?
Your Majesty, I agree with Uzahia. Let us be patient and wait with hope. Who knows? Our ancestors may have patience and fulfill our hope.
Your Highness, if our chief priest, Ikuku, supports the adventure of those young men, then there is hope. We must wait patiently for their return.
Oh yeah. It's all right. Since it is a general consensus, let's wait. Let's wait. It's just that my heart is heavy. All right.
Azundo, that voice. I know that voice.
Are you sure?
Mbata, are you sure? I know that voice. I know that voice.
Who is he?
Odum. I said it.
Stubborn fly that must follow the corpse to the grave.
You again. I have come to take that which rightfully belongs to me. Release it.
You are too daring. This is the land of the dead. No one comes here and goes with his life.
Odum, let me tell you. I am Obuagu. I hunt tigers and lions and bring their backs on the ground. I skin them and give their skins to kings. Their flesh for meat. Odum, the stomach is never afraid of standing in front. Yes!
Very true. We have neither lions nor tigers here. We prey on humans like you and turn them into plain things. You are playing into my territory. I will deal with you all.
No, why waste what you did? Let me stop.
Don't try the human prowess here. We're not mortal.
Can you see me? What happened here?
Can you see me?
I can see you. What happened? Let us get out of this place now. Let us go.
My people, I don't know what to do with the situation in my kingdom, in our kingdom. My daughter, Akweke, was taken away by an unknown person who we later found out is a spirit. Our youths, our able-bodied men went after them. But today, after many months of their departure, we don't know what happened to them. My wife has given herself to unceasing wailings and bitterness. We must live our lives as a kingdom and as individuals. We will not continue to wait like this. Therefore, I have decided to summon all of you so that we will prepare their burial rites. Maybe that way, we'll be able to put this situation behind us. That is the essence of this meeting. I greet you once again.
Did you see that? Did you see that? No, I'm gone.
Let us not fight this time.
I'm not the coward.
What happened? What happened here? What?
We lost him, Bata. No. Bata. Hey. No. We lost him. We lost him, Bata. Bata. Hey. We lost him. We lost him. Oh, no. We're finished. We must be courageous
Azundo, a man dies only once. For us to have lived to this moment, it means there's hope. But we must look for Akweke and her group. We must!
How do you think we'll find them? Coupled with all these strange things happening here?
Strange things happening. Azundo, have you forgotten what Ikuku told us? The necklace, Azundo, and the bubagu leaf.
Yes, the necklace.
We will survive with it. Hey! What's that? Hey, what is it? What is it?
A bubagu leaf. I can't find it.
What do you mean by you can't find your bubagu leaf? That is trouble, you know that?
Your Highness, your life will be preserved for us. This is our prayer. We are all here, your humble servants, to plead with you to be strong and try and eat some food. If anything happens to you, the kingdom will suffer. We are only humans, not gods. We are beginning to be affected adversely by your condition.
Who's that here? Thank you very much.
Thank you, Igwe.
You've spoken wisely. I am proud of you. I have heard all that you said. But I want to say that I have a problem. It is not easy for a man to forget the loss of an only child.
Your Highness, what makes a man is his ability to endure hardness. The misfortune of Akweke affects all of us because she is our princess. But shall we continue to mourn the loss? I think the best thing we can do for her and the others is to give them befitting funerals. And that way, we'll continue our lives and forget about the rest.
Thank you. Thank you so much. You too, you have spoken wisely. I am happy that after all I still have men that have wise counsel. But the only problem that I have is my queen, my wife. The whole thing has affected her badly. And I ask her, if I stand it, can she also stand it? It's just my problem.
Oh!
Ikuku, there is trouble. Ikuku, what do I do? Don't give up. Princess needs your help. Don't forget this.
Ana sadum babu agogo mbali. Hey! Yeah!
Vrototo. Asala. Vrototo. Asala. Vrototo. Asala. Ebubagu nechago. Ebubagu nechago. Akweke. Quick. Quick.
This is no time for wailing. We have to get out of this place quick.
My strength fails me.
No.
goddess of Allah. I have decided that we bury our children and forget about them. But according to the tradition of Amanato, it is the children that will bury their parents and not the other way around. As the Igwe, it is not proper that I will witness the burial of my only child. I have therefore decided to go to my mother's place and stay for 7 days, according to our traditions. Thereafter, when these children must have been given befitting burial, I will return to continue. Uzziah,
Igwe,
you will see to it that the burial rites are properly done for these children, because they did a lot of sacrifice. Please. After which you will send words to me to come back and continue. Did I make myself clear?
Igwe, you've said it all. That it is not proper for an Igwe to witness the burial of his child. And you are going to stay away in your mother's home for 7 days. We, the members of your cabinet, are promising you that we are going to follow the tradition of Amanato strictly in giving burial rights to these children. So thank you very much, Igwe.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
If you swallow men alive, this is the time. If you swallow men alive, vomit. And then I'll put that in. When you saw the you're making, I didn't do your head. You cannot take the title of a king without a fight. Let's see me. Ayana.
We are set to. Have you prepared?
We're going to ready for this.
Because soon everybody will move to the burial site.
Exactly.
There's nothing more.
We can't help it.
No,
that is right. Wait, what are we seeing?
What's happening? Is that your bag?
The final.
For you every day, my heart, my love for you grows stronger day by day. Oh, can't you see my arms are open for you to come on in? Oh, why do you far away from me. My love, my heart longs for you every day. My heart, my love for you grows stronger day by day. Oh, can't you see my arms are open for you to come on in? Oh, why do you run so far away?